So it's kind of like partial products, but instead of bringing everything down here, we're actually going to regroup some of the numbers up there above the top number. But we're going to start out doing the same thing. We're going to start with the 1. We're going to go directly above to the 1's place. We're going to solve for that. So 3 times 5 is 15. Now, I'm not going to bring 15 down here. I'm going to bring the first number, the 1 in the 1's place, down, and I'm going to regroup the 1 up to the top of the next number, just kind of like we do with addition. And now here's where it gets confusing sometimes for some people. Just like we were doing with partial products before, you're going to take the 3 and you're going to multiply it by that 6. It's actually 60, so the 3 times the 6, but instead of bringing my full answer down here, we're only going to bring one number down at a time, and that's the thing that you have to know about regrouping. You're only bringing one number down at a time. So we're going to do 3 times 6 because we're multiplying, but we have that 1 right there. That 1 you add to whatever your product of these two numbers is. So 6 times 3 is 18, and I'm going to add 1. A lot of people get confused and they go 3 times 1 times 6, or 3 times 1 plus 6, or 6 plus 1 times 3. It's just multiply and then add. So multiplied, I get 18, I add 1, I get 19, and I'm only going to take that first number, which is the 9, put it down, and I'm going to bring that 1 up and regroup it to the next place value. Now, I'm going to take that 3 and multiply it by my last number. So 3 times 4 is 12. And I'm going to add that 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. I'm only going to bring one number down. But if there's no number over here, then I can actually just bring that 1 down as well. So my answer, 465 multiplied by 3 is 1,395. I'm going to quickly show you how to do that with a bigger number, just really quickly. I'll do it all in red. So take your first number, multiply it by your other first number above you. 3 times 4 is 12. Bring the 2 down, the 1 up. 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. I have nothing to bring up here, so I'm just going to multiply 3 times 7, which is 21. Bring the 1 down, regroup the 2 above the next place value, and then I'm going to multiply 3 times 5, which is 15, plus my 2, which is 17. So my answer for 5,724 multiplied by 3 is 17,172. And that is how you multiply using regrouping.